In the world of printing, a common occurring problem is damage to the printhead. What happens is that ink finds its way through the cables that connect to the head and cause a short. The data cables that come from the motherboard connect to the printhead's circuit board via two cables. They clip on over here. Let's open this damaged head up to explain. If we flip the head over, you can see the circuit board behind it. Now, even if the smallest amount of ink finds its way onto any part of the circuit, it can cause a short circuit and blow the printhead circuit board. If that happens, you can just throw it away because you're not going to fix it. To prevent that from happening, our technicians take extra care to isolate the connections between the cables and the printhead, lessening the chance of ink getting through. It's a long and tedious job, but it must be done. But now, exclusively from its factory, AM.CO.za introduces a first-of-its-kind pre-sealed printhead and connection set. This specialized CNC machine joins the cables directly onto the printhead and applies a specially formulated rubber silicone which has a great chemical stability against solvent from all kinds of ink, as well as super adhesive ability to the polyester of the flat cables, to the stainless steel, and to the plastic parts on the printhead, resulting in a single sealed printhead and cable set, which greatly reduces the chance of any ink getting through. So whilst the traditional way of sealing the printhead used by our technicians is still effective, this new offering is even better, and additionally, it drastically cuts down on installation time. The new pre-sealed printhead is now exclusively available at am.co.za. Now, you might be tempted to copy this innovation by just adding silicone to your printhead, but it won't yield the same result, and actually, you could cause open circuits, stopping data coming and going from the printhead to the motherboard. So as the saying goes, don't try this at home. Rather give sales a call for more information on the new pre-sealed printhead from am.co.za.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.